Hello, it's Michaela here. As many of you know, Salesforce is retiring the Optimizer app in the coming Winter 26 release. But don't worry, there's a replacement that many admins are already adopting, and it's called OrgCheck. And in this video, I'll walk you through what OrgCheck is, why it's a great tool, and how to use it to monitor your org's health. OrgCheck is a free open source application created by Salesforce Labs. And its goal is to help you scan your org's metadata, identify technical debts, and surface areas that need attention. It doesn't require any external system. Once installed from AppExchange, it runs entirely in your org. So let's see how to get it. First, open the app launcher and go to AppExchange. And type OrgCheck. You can see it right here, the first result, and click Get It Now. Make sure you are logged in and choose the account that you want to install it for. Then confirm the installation details and install. Choose whether you want it to have installed for admins or for all users, and click install. Once installed, click done. And now you can access it from the app launcher. Just type OrgCheck. It takes a few seconds to get loaded. And it automatically scans your org. And now we can see that there are various steps. Each of them is focused on a different area of improvement. The first one is general information. Then you have your Salesforce organization. And clicking the overview OrgCheck starts the scan of the whole organization. And now you can see some highlighted areas of improvement. You can see that 100 of our custom fields don't have any description. There are some email templates that were never used. Also permission sets that don't have description. Some lightning pages that are not referenced anywhere. And roles that have no active users. You get information about Apex classes, about Visualforce pages, profile, active internal user. It's really broad and it covers every important area. You get information about the password policies, about documents, and then below you can see the areas that are all good, so they are in green. In the case of this organization, it's record types, process builders, page layouts, and so on. The next step is data model. Again, a brief summary of what it includes. And now we have the object documentation. So if we choose an object in the filter above, for example, an account, and click apply one change, then you can see more details about the account. We have only 2 accounts in this org. You can see that it's a developer edition. You can see the list of the layouts and the name of the lightning page. And all the names also serve as links. So if you click it, you can go directly to the lightning page, for example. You can go through all the limits and web links and the custom fields and standard fields. So it's a very nice summary of the object and everything related to it. Okay. Okay, so that's about the account object. And then we have org wide defaults, and here you can see the accessibility to each of the objects. You can export everything if you would like to. And the next step is custom fields. And here again, a brief summary of all of them. You have also page layouts. So now it's still filtered to the account object, but you can always change it and see another one. And you get the same for validation rules, record types, and web links. Well, then there is security and access. Here you can see a list of all internal active users and their permissions. You can see a list of profiles, permission sets, profile restrictions, and password policies. So I will just briefly show you how it looks like. So most of the users in this demo org have never logged in. Then you have boxes that serve mostly for viewing roles and groups within your org, and also queues if you have a Service Cloud and use this feature. Then we have automations. There are flows, process builders, and workflows. I guess only flows are relevant right now as Salesforce stops supporting process builders and workflows soon. Then you get information about settings. You can set custom labels. You can see documents, email templates, and knowledge articles. You're getting closer to the end. So last but one is user interface, where you can see a summary of Visualforce pages, lightning web components, and much more. I don't have most of the things set up since it's a demo org. And then we have programmatics, where you can learn about Apex classes and Apex triggers and other things related to Apex. So you can see the Apex unit tests. It also flags Apex classes that need a recompilation, which is none in my case. OrgCheck gives you many of the health check perspectives that Salesforce Optimizer also provided, but in a more metadata focused way. That's everything I wanted to show you today. So please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye.